welcome to Echo Mindset. This is your guy, Prof. Dr. Trillion Pounds, and in today's video, I'm going to be presenting to you on how to set your TDI on your mobile phone MT5. How to set your TDI on your mobile phone MT5. Now, in the previous video on how to scalp the boom and crash market using the TDI and the moving average 8, exponential moving average 8, I talked about the TDI, and I know that we don't have TDI on our mobile phone because it's a custom indicator. The traders dynamic index is a custom indicator. So those with PC, I dropped the indicator on the Telegram channel, so you get it easily. But those with phone, you need to set it, and this is the reason why I'm making this video today, so that you'll be able to set the TDI indicator on your mobile phone. All right, so if you are new to our channel, please press the subscription button and also press the bell notification button so that you get notified anytime we release a new video. Okay, anytime we release a new video, you get notified and you will not miss out on it. So please, if you are new to our YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell notification button. So without much ado, let's dive straight into today's video. We are right here in my MT5. And we are going to set the indicator window up for the TDI. We are going to set the indicator window up for the TDI. Okay, we are going to set the indicator window up for the TDI. So what are we going to do? First of all, we have to tap anywhere on our phone screen. Then you tap on this F symbol. Okay, tap on the F symbol. It will bring you to this section that says main chart and co, where I have my moving averages, but that is not what we are looking at. You have to click on this F with the plus sign. Okay, right there. You have to click on it. You have to click on that. So let's do that. Okay, so you click on that. Now, the first thing we want is our relative strength index, RSI. So we are going to insert our RSI. So RSI, here we have our RSI right here, and oscillators, RSI is under oscillators, so we click on RSI. Now, with our RSI, we are going to use period 13. So we will use period 13 and apply to close. Now the style I'll use red. I'll use red as my style. Then with the levels, we use level 50, level 32, and level 68. So I'm going to delete all these levels here. I'm going to delete all these levels. They are not needed in this case. Then I'll click on this plus sign at the top here, and then I'll add my level 50. When I'm done, I'll click on that plus sign again, and then I'll add my level 32. After that, click on the plus sign again, and then add level 68. So you can pause this video and also enter the various parameters before you continue to watch the video. So pixels, you can use 3, you can use any of them. I prefer 3. So after that, you just do press on the arrow where we have the relative index written there at the top. You press the arrow pointing backwards. So when you do that, it will bring you back here, and then you press on done at the top corner here, top right corner. You press on your done. So there we have our RSI period 13. Okay, now the next thing we are going to input is moving average 2. You insert moving average 2. So we will tap on the screen, and then we tap on the F symbol. This time we are going to select indicator window 1. So we tap on that F plus sign over there. Now moving average is under trends, so you look for moving average. You can see it right there under Ichimoku. So you click on moving average. We said we want period 2. So oh, come on. We want period 2. We're sorry. All right. And it should be simple method, simple. Shift is 0. Apply to previous indicators data. Apply to previous indicators data. Then I'm going to use color blue. All right, so I'll use pixel, 2 pixels. I'll be using 2 pixels. So it depends on you. With the pixels, it depends on you. When you are done setting all this up, you press on done at the top corner there. So as you can see, we have our moving average 2 also in there with the blue color. Now the next thing we are going to input, is our moving average 7. So we input moving average 7. So you tap on your screen and you tap on the F symbol. You go to indicator window 1. Then you press on the F plus sign. We are still on moving averages. It is under trend. So we click on moving average. This time we want period 7. Period 7. So we are going to insert period 7. And I'm going to use color. I'll use violet. My pixels 2, or apply to previous indicators data, and method simple. So method simple, apply to previous indicators data. When you are done, you click on done. All right, so as you can see, it has also been added to our indicator window 1. The next thing we are going to insert here is the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands. So you tap on your screen, and then you click on the F sign, and then you tap on the F plus sign. Okay. When you are done, you go to what? Trend. Bollinger Bands is what? Is under trend. So you can see it is below the average directional movement index. So click on Bollinger Bands. Now we are going to use the period we are going to use is 34, period 34. For the Bollinger Bands, we use period 34. Period 34. Deviation 1.619. Our deviation is what? 1.619. That is the deviation. Shift is 0. Apply to first indicators data. First indicators data. Apply to first indicators data. Style, I will be choosing black. Pixel, I'll make it 3. Okay, let me make it 2. I want 2 pixels for the Bollinger Bands. When you are done, click on done. So you can see the Bollinger Bands added to the window, okay, to the indicators in the window there. Now we have to add the last indicator, that is moving average 34. Moving average 34. Moving average 34. So you tap on the screen and then you tap on F. Then you tap on first indicator window, the F plus sign over there. We want moving average. So we go to moving average under trend. Click on it. We say we are looking at period 34. Moving average period of 34. So period 34. Method simple. Apply to first indicators data. First indicators data. Apply to first indicators data. I'm choosing color color yellow. Color yellow. Choosing color yellow. My pixels 2. When I'm done, you click on done. So you can see the yellow moving average added to the middle, at the middle section of the Bollinger Band. Okay, added at the middle section of the Bollinger Band. All right. So as we discussed previously in the previous video, so if you have not watched the previous video, I will leave the link in the card above. Try, and also in the link in the description below, try and watch the video on how to use the TDI and the EMA8 to scalp the boom and crash market. It's the same thing that applies to the PC, that also applies on the mobile phone. So please try and watch the previous video and get the concept of how to use the TDI in conjunction with EMA8 to milk the boom and crash market. To milk the boom and crash market. To milk the boom and crash market. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important. So let's see, boom, with this crash. Sorry for my slow network. So you can use this guy to catch spikes, you can use it to trade, but then with the strategy we thought it's not the spike catching strategy, it's for just normal trend trading. You spike, you scalp, and then you are out of the market. Please, once more, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification button so that anytime we come out with new videos, you will be notified. Peace. Shalom.